This tutorial is on how to set a self-appraisal on the Appraisal Connector. From time to time you may wish to set a self-appraisal to evaluate where you are with different areas of your practice and also get feedback from others about where they perceive you are with your practice. This will help you formulate views about areas of strength and weakness in your practice. To start the process, we click New Self-Appraisal. You choose then the account you wish to get the appraisal from, i.e. this is your school account. We then go down and we get taken to a page called Appraisal Structure. Here we can choose different question sections to include. To preview any questions in a section, you just click Preview. To close those, you just click Close. To include sections in an appraisal, you just tick the box next to the section. You'll see that we have areas such as effective pedagogy, tātai ako, contributing to a professional learning community, management, professional leadership, which is an area designed for those where a significant part of their role is either management or leadership, professional values, special school character, if you are a special school, ancillary or support staff questions, and then we get down into student voice. Now, student voice can be set in conjunction with a self-evaluation or a self and peer evaluation, or, as I will show you in the next tutorial, student voice can be collected on its own. So in this particular appraisal, we just tick the first two boxes at the top, and we scroll down to the bottom of the page, and we find the due date box. We click in here, a calendar will come up, and we choose the date we'd like the appraisal to be completed by. This is both the self-appraisal that you will complete, and if you add peers, the date that you'd like them to complete it by as well. So we choose the date, and then after that we click Create. Once you've clicked Create, a self-appraisal has been set up. You will be emailed saying that a self-appraisal has been set up for you to complete, and if you do not wish to add peers to this appraisal, then you do not need to do anything further. If, however, you would like to add other staff members to appraise you, you will find their names listed in the box at the top. To select someone to appraise you, or to select one, or you can select multiple by clicking either Command on a Mac or Shift on a PC, you can choose more than one. And then you go across and you click Add Appraisers. It will ask you if you are sure, you click OK. Once the page refreshes, you will then see that when we go down to the areas that have been included, in this case just the one, that Guy Smith has a self-appraisal to complete, and he has also asked Ash InterLEAD and Andrew InterLEAD to complete it. If we now go back to an overview page, you will see that Guy Smith has an appraisal now set up due on the 28th of February. It has one section included and 0 has been completed. To answer the questions, you just click on your name. You then scroll down and you'll see the questions appear. To answer a question, click on the box and move down. To answer the next one, do the same. If you wish to change an answer, just click another box and it will highlight. If you think it's an area that you should focus on, or if you're providing peer review that the other staff member should focus on, you can click the box. Once you go down a little bit further, scroll down through the questions, at the bottom of each page you have the ability to provide appreciative feedback, some areas they do well, or provide developmental or coaching feedback, which are identifying areas that they could develop further and explaining why. Once you've finished those questions, you just click Save and Next to move on to the next question set. To go back to where we were before, we click Overview. If you wish to edit this appraisal, i.e. you're not going to finish it by the due date, or it has been completed and you want to be able to see it sooner, you just click Edit. Here you can change the due date by clicking in the box at the top and either moving that date forward or backward, and then clicking Save. You can delete the appraisal if you want to get rid of it altogether. Or if we scroll down the page, and here you can tell who has completed their sections. If you have invited a lot of people to complete this appraisal and you don't want to wait for everyone to complete it, then you may remove incomplete people by either clicking Remove Appraiser to the right of the person you wish to remove, or by removing the ticks from the boxes. Once your staff appraisal is complete, then it is the day after the due date, then a report will generate for yourself under My Reports. And if we scroll down, you'll see here that the last completed appraisal report for Guy Smith was a whole class communications student voice on the 18th of February. To view the whole report, you just click Full Report. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and helps you evaluate via Appraisal Connector. Thank you.